With a historically low interest rate, is now a good time to buy a home? Welcome home. My name is Justin, your local Bronx real estate agent, and if you are a first-time viewer and want to receive weekly house selling and home buying advice, be sure to slam that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss anything. With that being said, let's turn to our mortgage loan affordability calculator to see the effect that our current historic interest rates can have on our home buying power and monthly mortgage payment. Last year around this time, you could qualify for a very low interest rate of around 4%, which we will use in this calculation. Let's also say we buy one of our Bronx homes that costs $550,000 and we make a 3.5% down payment. Our mortgage loan affordability calculator is telling us that our monthly mortgage payment will be $2,917.22. However, it is also answering the key question of how much interest will I pay on my mortgage over the life of the loan. In this case, we are paying back $381,447.41 over 30 years. That's a lot of interest to pay back, and that is with a low interest rate. If you have any questions about interest rates and how you can benefit from the current low rate environment, leave it in the comments below. Also, be sure to slam that like button if you like what you're hearing so far. With our current historic interest rates, which are at all-time lows, we will now use an interest rate of 3% and see the difference with our trusted interest rate mortgage calculator. Quick FYI, you may even qualify for a rate of less than 3% on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage loan at this present time. Off the bat, we can see that our monthly mortgage payment has been reduced by almost $300 to $2,621 a month. Here on our mortgage graph, it even shows that the percentage of our monthly payment going towards interest has dropped significantly. First thing to remember about lower interest rates is that they mean reduced mortgage payments. In terms of our how much interest will I pay on my mortgage question, we will pay over $106,000 less over the life of the loan in this example than with the 4% interest rate we used previously. The second thing to remember about lower interest rates, especially with these historic interest rates, is that they can save you big money over the life of your fixed rate mortgage loan, even with just a 1% difference in rates. The third thing that we can extrapolate from these examples is that a low interest rate means you have more home buying power. That is, the lower your interest rate, which means you're spending less money on interest each month, the more money the bank can give to you to buy your home. So with a super low interest rate, is now a good time to buy a home? Yes. If you are looking to take advantage of these historic interest rates to buy your home and secure a low monthly mortgage payment, I have a detailed guide for first home buyers that can answer a lot of your questions and provide you with helpful home buying advice. You can download your free guide for first home buyers using the link in the comments and description. Also, if you know someone that would benefit from this video on historic interest rates, please be sure to share it with them. Lastly, if you haven't done so already, be sure to slam that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can keep getting the real on real estate. Thanks again, and I'll see you next week.